Ever wonder why your crypto feels stuck when you're actually ready to cash out, or why those hidden fees always seem to bite into your profits at the last second? I've spent years navigating the Gemini interface, and I've learned the hard way that withdrawing efficiently isn't just about clicking a button, it's about timing, method selection, and security protocols. If you want to get your funds off the exchange without the headache, here's exactly how I handle my withdrawals. 1. Optimize your method. For fiat currency, I always opt for ACH transfers if I'm not in a rush. They are free, though they take a few business days to hit your bank. If I need the liquidity immediately, I use a wire transfer. While Gemini doesn't charge a fee on their end for wires, my bank usually does, so I only use this for larger amounts where the flat fee becomes negligible compared to the total value. 2. The active trader secret. If you are selling crypto to withdraw cash, never use the basic market buy-sell interface. I always switch my account settings to Gemini Active Trader. The fees on the standard interface can be as high as 1.49%, but on Active Trader, they drop significantly. It's the difference between losing a few dollars and losing $50 on a standard transaction. 3. Manage the withdrawal hold. One thing that catches most people off guard is the deposit hold. When I deposit funds via ACH, Gemini lets me trade instantly, but I cannot withdraw those funds, or the crypto I bought with them, until the deposit clears, usually 4 to 5 business days. I always plan my exits a week in advance to ensure my available for withdrawal balance matches what I actually need to move. 4. Whitelisting and security. To prevent delays, I highly recommend enabling approved addresses in your security settings. This is a whitelist of wallets you trust. While it adds a 7-day waiting period when you first add an address, it makes future withdrawals nearly instant and adds a massive layer of protection against hackers. I never wait until the day I need to move funds to add a new destination address. 5. Check the gas environment. For outbound crypto transfers, Gemini passes on the network fee. Before I hit send on Ethereum or ERC20 tokens, I check a gas tracker. If the network is congested, I'll wait until late night or the weekend when GUI levels are lower to ensure I'm not overpaying for the transfer. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.